What's going on, guys? Your boy Beau Rakes, being a blessing. I'm over here in, I think it's Cookstown. I'm at this plaza. It's called Bamboo House. Bamboo House is like a Thai and Japanese restaurant. I found out about it because I was coming to this sandwich shop. It's close to the military base. A lot of contractors and different people come here and check it out. But the food was so good the other day. Wanted to come over here. Hello, how you doing today? I want to order your soup. You have like a pho almost? Yeah, like a beef pho. Yeah, spicy, please. That's what I ate, the beef pho, the rice noodles.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, pho, beef, spicy, all the garnishments. Okay, can I pay? Oh, can I pay first, pretty please? I like to pay first. I like to get up and walk out. How long you been here? 15 years? Okay, cool. All right, so she's in here working by herself today. Normally, she had her kids in here with her. So she says she's Thai and Japanese. She just gave me the name of the noodle soup, what they call in Thai. What they call in Thai, they don't call it pho. Pho is Vietnamese. But I'm all about my noodle soup. I like ramen a little bit, but I'm more of a fan of pho because of the rice noodles. I really don't care for the noodles. I really don't care for the noodles that's in the ramen. Now, if you guys got the DJI Pocket 2, that's what I'm shooting this on. You gotta have the stand. The stand and the mic is a game changer. All right, so she says she's been over here 15 years. I work at Fort Dix, so a lot of the soldiers and contractors come over here and eat. During the week, it's always packed, but the food is worth the wait. So if you guys in Jersey, I think this is called Cookstown. I'll put a link in the bio location. You guys can come over here and check it out. It's like a family-run mom and pop spot. You guys ever heard of this whiskey? I gotta try this whiskey right here. Fun tacos every day. I'm gonna start doing more of these recordings and share some of my food experience with y'all. Me and the China truck adventure. Riding out like that. All right, when this food come out, I'm gonna bless y'all. Okay, thank you, Miss Ann. Thank you so much. I've been saying that broth is so good. Yes, ma'am. I just had to taste the broth first. Nice and spicy like I like it. Alright guys, this is where the magic happens. My sinuses already, so this has bigger rice noodles. Mixing everything, fresh onions, like buck chow, green onion, beef. Fresh hot peppers for that spice. okay. Nice to the beef. So on a hot, very cold day like today, like it is in Jersey, good noodle soup is always the way to go. It's good. Buckshot, scallion, green onion, cilantro. But I gotta make it a little more spicy. Okay. Hot pepper. Okay, Miss Ann. Yeah, that's hot. Miss Ann said, you want it more hot? I said, yes, ma'am. I gotta get it more hot. I like it spicy. I want to be crying while I'm eating it so good. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I want to be sweating and crying. Oh yeah. So she said this is really hot. Look at that. That's a night. I was at Bahama Breeze, Cherry Hill yesterday. A half hour, ran into some cool people. Ran into some of my bar girlfriends. Stayed there too long, had too many whiskeys. After a long night of dabbling debauchery, I gotta come get pho. Rice noodle soup. So when I make my noodle soup at the house, I put buck chow in there as well. And sometimes I might just do a veggie and put that in there. Yes, ma'am. I think last time I was here, I asked for more spice. Was that your daughter? The girl, she's like, it's already hot. I said, I know, but I needed a little more. She was looking at me like I was crazy. So, which other soup should I try next? Tom yum soup? Okay. I love soup. So what's in the tom yum soup? Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'll try that next, Miss Ann. Okay, lemongrass soup. Okay. I'll try that next, Miss Ann. Thank you so much. Listen, I'm sweating right now. Eyes watering, nose running. You know it's good when you're doing that. I just love the broth. It's a lot. Oh, you just do straight vegetables? No noodles, okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to get no noodles, add rice to it next time. Rice on the side. Okay. Cause I love the broth. I could just eat it with the meat, veggies, and broth. Kalau. Kalau. No noodle. Okay. Okay. Broth on the rice on the side. Uh-huh. I'm about to come on Saturdays more often so I get to talk to you. When it's during the week, it's too busy. Uh-huh. Mm. Hard work. Where you was working at? Mm-hmm. I'm cooking for a lot of people in the mess hall.
Oh yeah, 3,000 people, 3,500, 4,000 kids.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Which base did you work at? Oh, you worked at Fort Dix. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm crying. That's good and spicy. Good job. Yeah, I could eat this every day. The pepper you use for spice, which pepper is that? It looks like a jalapeno, but it's another pepper. The green one. Not that spicy. Yes, ma'am, I like Thai chili. Okay.
Thai chili.
You grow these.
Yeah.
I'm taking this with me.
That hard though, believe me. No.
Mm. Yeah, that's spicy. Woo. Woo. Well, guys, I came, I saw, I conquered. I'm glad you guys was on this journey. If you in Cookstown, New Jersey, come through the Bamboo House. Holla at Miss Ann. That's it, guys. Hot, spicy. Woo, Miss Ann, that was great, sister. Yes, ma'am. I'm taking this hot pepper. Miss Ann said she grow these in her sister's yard. Taking this with me. You guys are ever in Cookstown, stop by the Bamboo House, holler at Miss Ann, and then like a home cooked meal. I feel like I was sitting in your living room in your kitchen at home. All right, Miss Ann, thank you so much.